Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to look at a mathematics Olympiad type question involving powers or indices or exponents. The question is asking us to find the value of 9 to the power of 12 plus 27 to the power of 8 plus 81 to the power of 6, all of it divided by 3 to the power of 25. I'm sure you'll agree, without a calculator this is an enormous task. So we need to look at another way of doing it, and that's using the laws of indices or exponents. So before I start, I'd like to remind you that if you have a squared raised to the power of 3, which we know means a squared times a squared times a squared, the answer would be a to the power of 6, because you're adding the powers together when you're multiplying the same base. So in effect, we are multiplying these two powers. Okay, so where does one go from here? Well, the clue is in the denominator, which is 3 to the power of 25. So there is a suggestion that perhaps we should change each term in the numerator and express each one as a power of 3 or in base 3. So we'll start off with the 9 and write it as 3 squared to the power of 12 plus, and the 27 we know is 3 cubed, so we can write 3 cubed to the power of 8 plus the 81 I'd like to look at separately. 81 we know is 9 times 9, and 9 is 3 squared, so it's 3 squared times 3 squared, so we can replace the 81 by 3 to the power of 4. Hence we can write 3 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 6, all of it divided by 3 to the 25. Now if we applied the law of indices I've been talking about on the right hand side, then 3 squared to the power of 12 becomes 3 to the 24, because we're multiplying these two powers together. And the next one, 3 to the power of 3 raised to the 8 becomes 3 to the 24. 3 times 8 is 24, plus the last one of the numerator, 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 6 becomes 3 to the 24, all of it divided by 3 to the 25. Now, so what's the next move? Well, if we think of the numerator as 3 lots of 3 to the 24, then the question becomes much easier to do. And this 3 has a power of 1, and if you add 1 to 24, you get 25, so you get 3 to the 25 over 3 to the power of 25. And if you divide 3 to the 25 by 3 to the 25, we expect to get 1. But if you want to use the laws of indices or exponents, you can subtract the powers and you get 3 to the 0, which we should know is equal to 1. Well, I hope you found that useful. Until the next one, take care.